I can use the Pythagorean theorem to create a formula that will find the length of any segment that exists between any 2 points. I'll start off by giving us a visual aid. We'll say that this is the segment that exists between x1, y1 and x2, y2. We will not be using any real numbers in this situation because we want to create an equation that will work with any point anywhere. Just like in our previous example, I'm going to create a right triangle using these 2 points. And just like the previous example, I'm going to find the length of these 2 segments. The length of this vertical segment is just the difference of the y values. So y2 minus y1, whatever those measurements may be. And then the horizontal leg is just the difference between the x values, x2 minus x1. Now I can use this information and the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, to generate a formula that will work with any situation. So I'm going to plug in what I know. I'm going to say that a is the difference of the x values. X squared, or x2 minus x1 squared. I put the x2 and the minus x1 in parentheses because I have to do the subtraction before I can square that value. The same holds true with the second leg, the y2 minus y1 squared. It will also equal c squared. Now when I did this example with numbers, I squared both numbers and I square rooted to figure out the value, the length of that segment. I'll do the same thing here. After I figure out what x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1 is and square them and combine them, I'll square root. And that is the formula. We call this formula the distance formula. Because this formula will find the distance between any 2 points on the coordinate plane.